snoring. I swear to God, he's snoring. So I'm just taking a little video because my partner snores. And I want to show him this.
A little here.